Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be planning out my week in both of my Christmas planners. So this one's my Christmas Traveler's Notebook that I created last year for myself. And I'm going to actually use this one to plan out all of my Christmas YouTube videos. Just because I think I want to keep this one for everything Christmas. So whether I'm going to watch like a Christmas movie or anything like that. And then this one, I'm going to be able to grow in this one. So this one is just going to be strictly for my Christmas YouTube videos, ideas that I want to do, things I need to buy to make any videos, if I need any supplies, and then like giveaways I want to do, stuff like that. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this one. And then this one is my everyday planner. So let's start out with this one because this one's a little bit smaller. And I'm just going to be planning out my week. I'm not going to be planning out the rest of it. I'm just going to keep that kind of private. But here we are. Last year, I was so excited with my planner that I actually ended up making my spreads for this year already. So I'm just going to show them to you guys really quick. But this is the first one. So this is the first week of December. And then I love how this one came out. It's very simple, minimal stickers, but I love it. It came out really, really cute. And then we have this one with the buffalo plaid and the red and white. I think it's so pretty, and I think I used a combination of Happy Planner stickers. All the date covers are from Sarah's shop. So then we have this one right here for week 3. The most wonderful time of year. I love that. Then we have this one right here. Super cute, Christmas cheer, and then I think that's pretty much all I did. But let's go ahead and start with this one. I'm going to be using my Arteza markers. So I've been trying to use them more, and I really like how they write. And I'm going to go ahead and do the green one. Or should we mix it up and do a little red? The only bad thing is that I have really bad writing. So that's the only thing. So today, we're going to go ahead and start dating this one. So today is the 2nd, then we have the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and that's all. And then right here I'm gonna put notes to do. Okay, so today what I'm going to start doing is I want to do a Christmas banner, a Christmas DIY craft with me banner. So I'm actually going to film that video for Wednesday. So I'm going to go ahead and put film Christmas banner, or DIY banner should I say, because it's going to be a craft with me. But what I do need to do is pre-cut the actual banners, because that's going to take me a long time. So today, I'm going to go ahead and cut banner paper. And then for tomorrow, I'm going to upload a Tutorial Tuesday video, but it's going to be DIY ornaments. I have really bad writing, you see. And then Thursday is just going to be actually Thursday is a free day. And then on Friday I will upload the Christmas banner video. I think I have to cut this nail because it hurts. See, and I feel like I ruined it. Saturday, it's a free day. And then Sunday is my Christmas plan with me. And for this, the only thing I do have to do is buy a little Christmas tree, because what I want to do is get a little Christmas tree for my planner area, and I want to make my own little ornaments and decorate my tree with those little ornaments. So I have to make sure I either go buy it or order my tree. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right there. I have such bad writing, you guys. And that's pretty much it for that one. And then we're going to go ahead and do the rest of my week right here. So, like, I added my little tassel that I was sold and made. Alright, so here we have Monday. And I'm going to go ahead and use the black for, should I use the green? I'm going to use, which one was the darker green? I think it was this one. Alright, so for today, what we're going to eat is ground beef tacos. And then I made extra ground beef because for tomorrow we can eat ground beef with white rice and potatoes. And then nothing here, because I made a big batch, so we'll have some leftover for Wednesday. And then on Thursday, I'm gonna make some chicken. For the most part, what I usually cook is chicken or ground beef, because that's what my boyfriend likes to eat. And then on Friday, I'm thinking pizza. And then on Saturday, tacos, order. And then on Sunday, I'm gonna make spaghetti. A big batch of spaghetti. Alright, so then today I went to work. So I went to work 8 to 2. And then I went to the post office. I went to Walgreens. I did the laundry. And then I'm gonna watch Netflix. And that's how I end my day. And then tomorrow I work all day 8 to 8. So I'm just going to clean when I get home from work and watch Netflix. And then on Wednesday, I think we have to go to the bank. And then I have to place an online order. And that's pretty much it for that one. And then for Thursday is my day off. So for the most, oh, you know what? I think Thursday I'm gonna try to go to the Dollar Tree. And then I'm gonna plan and craft. And that's usually when I film most of my videos and take most of my Instagram pictures. So I'll just put Instagram right here and YouTube. Alright, and then Friday, what do I have to do Friday? I think Friday I have to close my giveaway. I'm gonna host a giveaway. And then I work 8 to 8. And then I'm just gonna watch a movie. That's what really sucks about working all day. Then I get home so tired and I don't want to do anything. I'm gonna do laundry. I work 8 to 4. And then probably just plan. Sunday, clean. Oh, and then probably a little bit of Christmas shopping, because that's when me and my boyfriend get paid. We get paid on Friday, so I should write payday. And then for my notes, I'm gonna write things that I needed to buy. So I needed salt, sugar, I bought that. And then I'm going to put Aiden, gift, Natalie, gift. I ordered these online, and I have to remember to let my boyfriend know the cost for each one. And then anything else that I have to buy, I'll just jot it down right here. But for the most part, that's pretty much it, you guys. That's my week. Not much going on. As you can see, like, my orders have like died down. So that's before, when I was super busy, it's because my orders were taking a lot of my time, which I don't mind at all because I love working on my orders. But my week is pretty chill. I work a lot, and so that's where most of my days go, to working, to cleaning, and just this usual same routine. And that's pretty much it. And in between all of that, I'm filming all of my videos. So whether it's late at night or early in the morning or on my day off, I'm always doing something, that's for sure. I usually just like to, after 9:30 or so, after 9 or 9:30, I just like to go to my bed and just kind of watch a movie and just kind of unwind and relax and do a little bit of me time, because then I go to sleep around 10:30 or 11, sometimes 11:30 if the show I'm watching is really good. And yeah, so there's really not a lot of downtime. I don't get too much sleep. Because even when it's my day off, I don't sleep in. I like to wake up early. I like to get stuff done. Even if it's just like little things here and there around the house, I always need to feel productive. So that's pretty much it. And anything else that I need to add, I'll definitely, you know, find space and put it in there. And then anything else that I need to buy, I'll put it in my little note section. And then this is pretty much my week's grocery. We usually do groceries on Sunday night, so we already have all our food for the week. And then I'll just, you know, in between all of this, I'll make time to cook and whatnot. So that's pretty much how it goes, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My writing is not that pretty, but I hope you guys like to see a little bit of what my week looks like, you know, when I'm not filming or uploading videos for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me. As always, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Check me out on Instagram at @Ellie_plan with me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!